Okay, so I realized a picture would not suffice, so I am going to show you a video of my stuff. So here's the first part, and then I haven't highlighted the stuff that's my answers, but basically anything from here down are my answers. So I did this. And I'm not good at making spreadsheets yet, so that took me longer than it should have, but that's okay. And then I had to do this, so I have to decide which test out of all the tests that we learned are appropriate for these two research questions. And at first I went down a bunny trail, making it way harder than it had to be, because I think he tries to trick us. He even said in class on the first day that he likes using his students as test subjects. He's a psychology major, and he purposely tries to trick people. And we all thought he was kidding until we saw the way he writes his exams and the way he grades. So, anyways, this stuff's mine. I started over again because I think I was overthinking it because I think he's trying to trick us. So all this stuff is mine after redoing and erasing and blah, blah, blah. So I did a 2 sampled t-test for question 1. And then I had to do an exploratory data analysis. And it didn't fit on the page, so it's down on this page. So then here's my exploratory data analysis. And that keeps going. And then hypothesis 2, I did a one-way ANOVA because I felt like that was better than a multi-way given everything. So I did all of this, and then I had to do all of the effect sizes. Then I had to do a write-up and ultimately find out that there doesn't seem to be a significant difference, and I've never seen that before, so it's throwing me off feeling like I have the wrong answer, even though I'm pretty sure I do have the right answer. Again, he's just trying to trick us. So here's my next exploratory data analysis. And then here's my one-way ANOVA. And then I had to use all of this stuff to get an F ratio. Here's the other part of my ANOVA. I still have to figure out what to do with the R squared because I'm vaguely remembering something about R squared. So I'm going to have to figure out if I need to add that into my answer. And then my contrasts, because you have to do contrasts to figure out which direction things are. And that's question 1. So, and then I kind of did a little bit on question 2, or on question 3. I skipped question 2 for now. I kind of did a little bit on question 3. But I didn't do enough. I think I just figured out what tests to use. And then I need to do 4, 5, 6. And then as you can see, 6 has F. It goes from A to F. So that's pretty fun. And then here's my stata. Why are you not moving? Okay, that's weird. That's okay. I'll survive. Okay, there we go. So I had to run all of these commands in stata, and then sometimes over here. Sometimes I messed up, so then it got mad at me and said like not sorted. So sometimes I mess up and then I have to start over again. So like I did all of this. Actually, I did a ton, and then I got myself confused, so I just started over again. So I X'd out of the whole thing, and I just threw away all of my info, and I started over again. And then I did my t-test, and then I started the ANOVA. I got confused, so I started all over again. And then I did my one-way ANOVA, so here's all my data. And yeah, these are all the tests that I ran. And then I put it in here. And that's what has taken me hours and hours. And I'm not even sure if I'm right. So I'm going to have to go over it again. I'm really going to have to sit and read through my notes. Oh, shoot. What's this? I'm missing something here. Oh, I'm glad I noticed. I am missing degrees of freedom. I think it's 3. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm glad I saw that. I'm missing something here. Let me highlight that so I know. I think I'm missing the between degrees of freedom. So this has been my life for what feels like forever, even though it's only been since yesterday. I started it the other day, actually, but that's when I was doing it. What I think I was doing was wrong. So hopefully I'm on the right track now, but it's just taking forever. And here are all my PowerPoints and my homeworks. So I need to go through all of these again and make sure that I feel like I have picked the right tests. Because if I haven't, then I need to do it again. Because he grades really harshly, like really, really harshly. So anyways, this was too much for a picture. So there you go.